Kajanmit besuk bakmen yepi baro ki parlok nong pet sai sisin nga priang sngop ha biang yepi sya ka program jungi bangila ai kerteng ka street talk ka program ka bang yakren shphang ka bha kamiat ka roi ka par bat kumjuru ki thliu kis ar bashon ya ka jalla jungi hi baro khwai ka program menta ka janmit kanlong ha ka bilingual khnang ba kan la ru banlong ka bamentoi ya baro ki parlok nong pet. Dear viewers, in the last 8 years, Meghalaya was moved by the cry for ILP as the plight and the harmony of the tribal people of the state is at stake with the ungodly influx of immigrants. ILP has been denied since 2013. Traditions and customs are what help to keep the strings of life alive. But while we cry for protection, aren't we forgetting the mechanisms and the tools we are already blessed with? In today's episode, we are going to discuss on the traditional control mechanisms and their powers of protection. The topic for today's discussion will revolve on the essence of the Khasi Dorbar in the modern day context. Parlok lungpet kapang pedeng jong kani ka jinyakran ha kani ka janmit kanlong ka Bynta ka Dorbar Shnong ha ka juk ka Mynta. Henry ha shwa banginya ya chakmat ya kani ka Bynta ha ka jinyakran jungi tunginya pet shwa khandiat ya ini jing pin idur bangidon na Bynta jong phi.
For centuries, the Khasis have thrived and sustained on the principles of laws and customs, even though the tribal community was just a microscopic population in comparison to the overwhelming lot of the rest of the then undivided India. Panchayats have since time immemorial served as custodians, and to this very day, the Constitution of India in Article 40 of the Constitution, which enshrines one of the directive principles of state policy, lays down that the state shall take steps to organize village panchayats and endow them with such powers and authority as may be necessary to enable them to function as units of self-government. In the light of the experience in the last 40 years and in view of the shortcomings which have been observed, it is considered that there is an imperative need to enshrine in the Constitution certain basic and essential features of Panchayati Raj institutions to impart certainty, continuity and strength to them. Similarly, in the state of Meghalaya, we have the Dorbar Shnong with the Rangba Shnong as its head to overlook at the matters concerning the Shnong or the village. The Shnong in the Khasi context is a very sensitive subject matter. The Shnong is more like a family and less like a community. Through centuries, the Shnong takes care of its inhabitants like children of its own flesh and blood. Their well-being is a responsibility and not a duty. But with the passage of time, values and traditions were fading away, while the Village Administration Bill 2014 has further attempted to clip the wings and strength of the essence of the Rangba Shnong. In the men
Alasan ba ha ka perkhat perdan badu ki balano senyang shibun sya ka imlang sa alang ngan pen itu shwaya phi ya mama to ki bla ibalong ru president jongka I care lani ka informed, conscious and responsible existence ipitang sopai phi mama ngidan ru mama pidi nongrum ibadai irang ba shnong jong kajayau ipitang sopai phi mama berkadu karwangi don ya ba Bruce seimli ibadai irang ba shnong Bruce saukume ibadai irang ba shnong jong ka shnong lai umkra ti nan pashat chwa ka jingkali shapi mama ha ka jingpet jong pi ka jingkordor jong ka Dorbar
pi kumba dakran mentan ke introduction ba panchayats kidai ki units of self-governance. Ti haji si siya shwa bikin mi kita ka 73rd amendment bakan one kita ka jing sutu jing shpang ki panchayat. ni kum ki Dorbar ngila don Dorbar Shnong. Maka Dorbar Shnong kadai ka jingstan jong bodem baja menwanra ya kata kerukam sinsyar kadar hi hapo Shnong potha dalade yalade local self governance. Henry laring pet ki Dorbar Shnong kumagi long mensua ki subjects bagi keren ki Dorbar bagi pet ki Dorbar kilo very very limited. Ki pet ya ka sukasan ki pet ya ka ban dang jing khajia ki pet ya ka rukam ka de kilentik singken hapo Shnong potha. Henry Mynta pada habis pet kita Dorbar Shnong jungi hapo kan ni jungi. Ngi ibala nang wan kita ki jingkit kle ki ba ki deben pedap. Haka rukam ki im lang ka salang jongu pai ba bo syong hapo Shnong. Nado ka kot ka kia haduk kilentik singken ko bam kum di nado banyo electricity haduk ban pet ya ka rukam kum bagi orang ban issue ki certificate ki residential certificate no objection certificate. Henry kama langok kalong bangile ya kani ta klam da don bi itu ingi hanglu ko do ngim dong kita legal recognition ban ong baka don ka an ko bi itu do sno tinggal ngau mentang kwa ban shat jumut pada ngene jingi kren mal adai ka porte menta bangin wan ra ya kano ko ka an ka ban itu do basnong ban agi kita ka bor pakin tekam kambha na ka menta upat ubobon bala service to the community mo hindi mo ra kita an ti nga kut ko mujik kren tan ga introduction ru ki kren chpang VAB ha ga ji i jonga ka VAB nimpat yo pasaka bat kam long hiru let's say kata ka vehicle ni kata ka kenja ban platform ban ban ra ya ka ban klan bo ki do basno
ta kulish bon mama dia ka ju ka jing kali ko ban pasat chupi mama nong rum ka ha ka jing pet jong pi bra ka long ka jing koridor jong ka Dorbar
pi kumbala krani ba to ki mentan gini ki Dorbar Shnong jengi la don na do long shua ki man shua bat ki dei kita ki grassroots institution kom ki ong ki bala don ha kini ki rilom jengi bat na kapor si kapor ha kani ki rilom jengi ru ki wan ki jingkela ki ba ngiu i ba imat ngiru ngin hab im kelar kat dekat bat kapor bat kedai hau Snem arajar kat sau haba keladon ketu ke red petition ke ba la file da ki nong jantian da sete ke don ki jing padang jongki but hang tu high court judge honorable SR Sen retired ula UI bagi don kat tu kat ni ki bu kwa ban pasat si pai ba bakin ngau tho ba ulo ong ba kini ki Dorbar Shnong hado menta mene na iki yo bor kim shio bor lemba ka an ne lemba ki rules ne lemba constitution kata ka ba utho kata ka judgment ka ba dia wa arajar kat sao bat kani galapan kendit menru threat ini lapan kendit menrew bat layalong gajing yalang hapulo bat laseng ya kata ka senjuk kinong sensar Shnong ke bri nyotrep bat kedai nado kani ke arajar san ter hado kini kisngi ba ka senjuk nagi por se ka por kanang pelong gajing kren bat ki sarkar bat tose hakum gini kipor aino yang ini kata empowerment ni kata kejing itu ini kom ki Dorbar Shnong henrei nyuma hadu menta kam syempot iyo ya kata kaba ki bengipan menakani ke arfinya uterik ke saja yang menang sudep kesunjuk kelkhot ya kejing elang bat angto kani ke general meeting lebon ki rong ba Shnong ki bawan bat haka jing ya tainya hangta bat haka jing ya pen i lagi jong gijing sauto lagi jong gijing ajing mut kado ngilai pois ka konsensus ba ki Dorbar Shnong hi lada sandor yaki ne banjet ki nong ket kam Shnong hakata karukom ka banya habat ki riti jong gari India ki constitution jong India lesi ngin nom la ban yo ya kata ke jing itu namar ba uban ai asen ya kini ki kabil kabandai na menta ki rong ba Shnong lada ka sarkar ka thao ye kita ki bil ne lada ka disconcert thao ki bil kalong be uniu de constitutional head governor la ban ai ke belong unconstitutional tik ni de ban don kata ka transparency ka jing don kan ni ka jing long ka jing kit kle ka bakat kum ka an ban ka jing Bynta lang jong baro ki brave ka adult franchise irrespective contain nation rang ladang ila ban wan ra kum kata ka bill ka ban de kat kum kan ni ka juk ka Bynta ngam so arta tien ba ka sarkar kan kanum pediang ni kum kata kejing terwa keba ngi kirong ba Shnong ngi kwa ban bu hakamak sarkar ngilai ong ya sekretari jeng kesenjuk kelej lej syau menteri rang ba jong ni kejela jong ni lej kerpat yu ong pej ke state ke don kami ke grassroots institution ladengem don grassroots institution ki bon ki ki bangi do nong ke state ke do nong nai ong ba ka Shnong ka rong ba Shnong do nong forget ka rong ba Shnong ka state ke do nong ki health scheme ki papun ki scheme ki ni ki scheme ki papun ki scheme bangi do nong te ong let kerpa dio chief minister ong sir it is high time that we have grassroots institution for the state of Meghalaya the people of Meghalaya have elected you sir. Please take this responsibility of bringing some form of a bill and take the stakeholder into consideration, into confidence. We will discuss it over and maybe we'll work out a solution for the we ki Dorbar Shnong fin pej ha kajing te kajing khom kajing jerwat kabon ba namar ngi urban areas ki Dorbar Shnong ki long hawai gerkom ki jing don kam shiki rural areas ki long hawai gerkom nang ta dang i don skini ki multi tiers of administration i don ka dis council i don ka state government now kenta ki jing again who's going to solve that problem
ngin saya buan biang syakata ka phang ka baye kran tementang ngan pasat ika jingkeli sapi ba Bruce pun kibriu kim syai ya kabor bala bensyat ha orang ba Shnong ba ka Dorbar hatu pila ban ai jingmut halor ki kita kibor bala bensyat ha orang ba Shnong ba ka Dorbar
kabor kam wat yang ngiru kam sya ngiru ngimtip kolong kumta ti nakadaw balay long kumba ong ba nong room kumba ong ba tukiru long kani kadai kaba ya jiri Dorbar Shnong na du andai kani bagi ong based on usage based on tradition kampat long codified law ti kumba ong ba nong room kata te kala adai ban pui kapur ban le noi kita ndrei ngi hap perkhat pat ndei ka ka Bynta no ngi hap perkhat nomor hak tu sengi bang ya kran ga kabis rutu jonga ka dai spang rule jong ka Dorbar in this 21st century Mynta we are living in a technology driven world tingi hape i problem bodon Mynta ti problem bodon Mynta ka ki khna kim don kam unemployment ka don nei there is rampant poverty means ka mdi tang jingduk khasi ong jingduk so jingduk so ka don shab baro nei ti ka education kam don ka health kambiang nei sekiwe ki state long kadon ka union government kadon ka state government te hakiwe ki don hiong ki panchayati raj institution hakiwe ki state ki don lai level kadon hapo village level district level but in between level ru ki don nei tamut ki la don lupa ka ba kumboong ba tuki haka 11 schedule kadai jong gini panchayat 12 schedule kadai gini gi ba khamlong sor kini gi municipal committee municipal bodies entah kata ka 73rd 74th amendment kita ki don la don na do mensyua Repindi I hang ni tang suong election municipal bar khoit la ong mlo. Nei, ha? Di mentangi ha perkat. Nei, ha? Phi kwa ban sa ka tradition hang ni, ha? Ngingin kiu ka jai ben riu, phi kwa ban protect ya ka jai ben riu, phi ong to ngin ya protect jai ben riu, ngin ya bu ka giet, ngin ya bu ILP, ngin ya bu uta. Actually the important thing is we should not think about how the quantity lani ka ajing protection in terms of numbers only. We have to think about the quality of our people. Ke education pindale ngi kumanga sele brawoi ka mekhalia. We are working in 8 states ngi ai jinghikai ki khana for coaching. Phin lap ki khana bla pass BA bla pass first 12 tang basic maths ro kim nang. Nei, the way ka long kum ta kamut at the primary level, secondary level ka education kam long. Nei, the manu bekren siapang kata. Ha? Menshua ka district council has taken up ya ka primary education. Ha? And they have failed. Ha? They have taken up so many schemes. Kum ki fishery scheme ru ki fail. Ki plantation scheme ru ki fail. Ha? So you will see the district council has become a place where it's heavily overemployed. Tamut labun than ginong tray. Tang suan government la thong bri, one government thong bri. Kata kaja hapo KHDC hapo GHDC, PE ki huri hura bupuli man kasingi kot khobor gini ki district council. So the district council, which is actually supposed to be protecting the tribal identity of our people, is not doing its role. And the so-called traditional institutions of which I am a member, I would like to say that it's not democratic. Ngingi jit tang khandiat ki brio, no? Try kumha lai mukra try kinda don ka electorate life ho hajar. Ka electorate rong ba shrong ko tang lai hajar sawaja. So it's not even democratic. Halai mukra ban ngi sya bagin buat ki kin thai ru. Ne, ki don ki dong ru ki ba ki bat post ki kin thai. Rei shawai kata ru sya. Tamut kadon ka gender discrimination hang ta. Ne, so it's not only bakalong kumta. Di Mynta ki khana jongi perkhat ki la puli. Ne, di ka jing puli jongki kam dei ta manyo kam hang ni. We have to think in terms of looking outward. Ne, we have to think in terms of looking outward. So who's going to deliver all the services? Service delivery men hakani ka sarkar ka pas bun teli ki bill. Bandale kata ki di ben ai hapo kata kapor. Nei, di correction di ki ai hana andriu benai. Kadon gajing objection, I think from some organization, which is correct. Andrai pinda page kidan ki hakimi we stay in India, even ration is done at the local level. And there is even doorstep delivery. Andrai hang ni mdan kita. Nei, so that means the people who are supposed to be dealing with the public, kidiki grassroots institutions, they are the ones who should see that the people economically actually they should be well off economically. Tamu the social sector kadai health and education. So health and education is one field where in other states is going forward.
Okay, tong ingin saya ya chahmat. Shushu ya kata ka jing ya merjing mood. Te ba tuking aku apan keli phi kani ka jing keli. Kumbala pashat jing mood dai ba Bruce. Moi ong ba ka kini ki ADCs ki bangidon kidi ki ba pet ya ka riti dustur ki ba pet ya ka tradition ya ka custom jungi. Hatu PMUI ba ka jing sa din jong ka jela jungi hi kadai namar ba kadon ka jingyatan telai ka bejur ba ngi ba kadon ka jingyatan telai ka bejur hapadang ka government but ka KHADCs ba kini ki ADCs mentang ilai sa kadon ka jingyatan telai hapadang ki district council but usim but menta kadon ru kata ka jingyatan telai hapadang kini ki ADCs but ki Shnong
bi ka dei feel ka ki district council jungi kila dan nadu mengiyo ke independence nadu bakawan ke constitution jungi la new post Snem kila de men le ki jungi kam jungi hnrei ki kam le balai nga itang kawai bam sngo thu ka e bengin le ka rule jong pi la aya ka 6 schedule han rai kumbu ki ong ni kerang ba ngar ngi hab jung mot ba ka rule jong district council ka dai pan klan ye ka riti ka dostor jong kini ki jong ka jeb ngi penban ya kata ki klan ya pek penban kumnu ngiru ngila ban le kum ba le state government kum ba le UMLA UMD siru kwa ban le kum ba le UMLA ban shna surok ban shna ki footpath ban wan ra ki gi school ban wan ra ya yang club ari kam aja bi kita kabur kam aja bi kita people even pay your culture your identity your tradition your dustur jong jadi pay ba ya kita pikir di Mynta kan pay kita la habi yakni ya kai ban le pin clash king bat state government pin clash king bat ki musim pin clash bagi Dorbar Shnong pi habangi pay yang ni ka VAB pun bagi break buang bagi VAB te kan albor ya ke Dorbar yorang ba Shnong ngangi artli gi jing dunang ta number 1 habangi kran yorang ba Shnong habangi kran ye gerti sensyar khada jongi hakishnong gi thau nyim de ban kran ya we brio yorang ba Shnong gede ban kran ya ka Dorbar gede ka Dorbar ka ban kam gede ban klan ya ka Dorbar kamar kalong habangi kran chpangini gi bro khot nakaliang jong dis council ngilap ba kekeren ya kata ya ka VAB kekeren ya kata ban ai body kita ya gerang ba Shnong ngam di ite kan don kata jing sngor jing mut imat penban besukwa ban yo kata direct funding bat kata direct funding kan nyai lang ba jo dis council ti kini gerang ba keren kata don kam jong kata ka transparency accountability hagi Dorbar lada ya ka kami jong Dorbar langi ken ba ka dis council ka kami jong Dorbar kai la de kam don transparency kam don accountability kam don tang auditing procedure kam ju comply big audit report kum no ngi kmi ti begin hikai yi Dorbar Shnong teng i akani ka rukam bala dei ka por dengan perkhat arseno ba habangi pe ki Dorbar ke i kam begile ki Dorbar ki suto ba i kam ya ka kamram la jong ka kamram jong ki Dorbar ka dei ban a jing shakri bet jau pa ba that is the end of the story lebih pet na do ka kot ka kia lebih pet na do ka ration lebih pet na do klinik singkin na do ka umbam ka umdi mentah mengi iya ka ya ka jing persang jong ka Dorbar ba penun kami ke Dorbar hak ni ka covid crisis kum bagi ong ki farang they worked wonders habangi pet bre ka kom trekam jong Dorbar kalong similar ba kom trekam jong ka sarkar jong ki bor sarkar jong district administration kaju parallel kabaka district council kam ben betaya ya tengah sengau ngaya kubur jingmut bagi di kerang ba bagi ong bala de kapor baka sarkar kadem perkhat arsen baka dem wanra no ya ka uniform grassroots level institution bill kaman pusyang ban wanra gi grassroots institution jong i hapok ka wake bill kaman trelang hakju urkom garwels jante hills khasils mathai de kapor mlong su ban chu yak ni kni bo dis council baka sarkar bat ni ni flop mengi gi ba
kedai kabresh bonu te ladangi pet ya ka rukom trekam jong ka Dorbar bat ladangi pet ya ka rukom trekam jong ka government kumbala ong mama ka rukom trekam jong ka Dorbar ba ka rukom trekam jong ka government ka dikaju kat ba ki breu ki batrei hapo ka Dorbar jong ka Shnong ki dei ki breu ki bamyo tulop tangba ki trei ya ka kam kumbatrei ki nong trei government ti kumbala ong manay ba brus yang ba hakini ki EDCs ki labun stang kinong tray ki bayo tulop tang baya ka kamba de ki dei ki batray ki ba nasionong hi ti hatu nga kwa ben pasal kan hi jingkli sapi ba nong rom ba hatu kala dei mo kopor bangin wengno ya ki EDCs bat ngin pensyat no ya kata kabor ha ki Dorbar kanang ba ke employment ru kan long sustainable bagi beriu nakashnong hi kinyo kam hashnong bagin try na benta kashnong kabha kamiat jong kashnong namar bagi tu ki ba try haki EDCs kila banwan na ru but kim don kata ka accountability
pi ta ka jing kli ju pi long ba on pa banong man bret no ki EDC ne ban num bret ki ni ha ka jing pe jonga kum ka jing try kam shnong man ta la khat san ar po Snem ngai i ka ye pher kini ki Shnong ki bodon hapo sor ki ye pher bat ki Dorbar Shnong ki bodon Shnong kendong hang ne hasor ka jing day jongi ki Dorbar Shnong Khambon hi by day but ka district administration but ka sarkar jilla kat ba Shnong kendong pada ka jing day jongi nang bon hi by day but us em ki jaka puta ki rira ki no ki babon pa kini ki jing don kam jongi te naduk pasdang ne ngong kani ka issue jongi ki Dorbar Shnong hapo kani ka brief new trap ka long very complex nama kini ki different tiers of administration ke state government ke ki district councils dan ki SM dan ki raj dan ki Dorbar Shnong te akani ka meeting ru ni ong ya ki khot jang sunjuk let Chief Minister express your anxiety bangi day no ban yo ki grassroots institution hadin bang le tre bat o covid kani ka por covid ngi su tho shisha bang ngi tre na bentak ki Shnong ki thao henrei indala khut ka to ka kam bade sometimes ba philik meeting em and no shong o bureaucrat ang te ngi shong ngi shene kadon in the back of my mind kadon kata ka jing snow rem ka jing so rem ta bang ngim laban express ya kata ba kata ke jing tri jongi henrei utai busyong tai yangi omito kade it's a very sort of a feeling ni ko mamla express ke jing so rem la bon ki meeting bangilet em la bon ki kap bangilet hadung ka poi ka pot ki ong em pimpot yo bor tengah bangimpot yo bor belai pikot yangi sekani ke meeting to look down on us. You've invited us to this meeting and then be on umpot your board, which is a fact. So isn't it time to stop kicking this Dorbar Shnong can down the road? Pick it up and find a solution. This council hanga will never be able to find the solution. The state government kadim shiming responsibility. The Chief Minister has got the government machinery at his command. He's got the law department, the personal department, the district council affair department, all the departments, all the big brains. They can sit together and work out a bill, which kumbang iba toki mentan, but throughout it will be applicable throughout the state. Maybe here's one point I would like to say: maybe there may not be one size fit all. Because you have the urban areas, you have the administered area, the scheduled area, the rural areas, maybe. But that, for me, I leave it to the wisdom of the government to find a solution. I can only express my anxiety. I can express my anxiety. I want a grassroots institution for the state of Meghalaya. We are losing out on too many things. We are not realizing that, but we are losing out. Ina jing do nong jongi bangim don pin pe to ke GNURM lasha ot ki fan pin pe Mynta sakane ka health schemes which is coming. They also we don't know how they're going to implement it ngim soto because you don't have a grassroots institution. So isn't it time for the government to really take a serious view on this and start legislating to bring about a recognition of these Dorbar Shnong? That's all I have to say. That's all through your program today. I plead with the state government, take this thing seriously and please bring a grassroots institution for my beloved state.
Okay.
Come time again health scheme. Mynta under the 11th schedule, health education pun bagi gue apa sangat lagi dan tiba-tiba penyiar di Dorbar Shnong di penjajah. Teman-teman, namar bangim don kita recognized body, legally recognized body. Ya kan ke health, primary health sector keba kan one about 13,000 crores la irma nam takani. Kani implement ya kala namar bang don recognition ya ki Dorbar Shnong jongi kan ya through the department, kinda department. Tik kumbayang ba nang support ngakubo de kata, but we stand to lose. Ki believe jongi ki don't know. But ni day ban rectify ya kan problem. Dak ba ai recognition no ya gi Dorbar Shnong jongi.
Taba Bruce kumba ngan chu ngan ya Ha katai kalan mo.
Long ngan pen ngan
Pin
jubab jubab nga Spah tu fikili
Ha
Spah ga district council
ha
lada dang don kam ne long mo ngan
ta.
ayo
Ha ka biang balat katai.
Kebening kong deh kedai ba long pi tip ba ki rang ba Shnong ki long ki trikam ki based on the sanat ba ICM ti UCM ti thung district council Kamat kadang nuksai hapedeng jongi bat ka constitution ka 6 schedule ka ay ka district council UCM mengi udah nuksai nri nuksai korba bastang ba nei ha ti kabeningkong kadai ba long UCM no UCM he kani India jongi is a republic nei ha ti UCM ti umdai democratically elected head deh di mana yang ni ba we need a democratic institution deh ha di ngatrai habdon gajing debate kumnu ka democratic institution kan la bandon haba we still allow this di ba pa di ong kidan gi jaka badon gi iem badon gi hima deh kidan gi jaka ka land tenure system ru kolong kumta deh di kata that is a different thing kata kajing ya jong gi ya la kajong but actually that should not be confused with the grassroots institutions. The institution of steamship is different from the grassroots institution. Right? So my radical way of thinking is that the Dorbar Shnongs should snap their ties with the 6th schedule. They should snap the ties with the 6th schedule. Le aku mungkin state, no? State. Any panchayat, any municipal institution is made by a legislative act which is passed by the legislative assembly. Dai, ti balai ki Dorbar Shnong, kin kwa ban le kata, tu kumboong iba ilalai show chief minister. He claim le show EM yung district council and UCM yung district council. Kilet siya ka show chief minister. That means I can see the trend is there, no? Nei, ba actually ngi ben perkhat no. Nei, marka district council piso thu hi kadai ke institution ka badai na do por Assam, namar we were in a minority in the bigger state of Assam. Nei. So the idea of protection of a minority in a bigger state ngi so thu. Nei. After we got independence, ngatrai borok khoi ki ong ngatrai ki dan gi baperkhat ki riu perkhat frai philai osmo phang ba Michael Siem ru ne iru ong ba pech kalong kum ne ka district council hadin bingila yo state ngatrai nagan riu fo seat MLA Sanpul Rio ka reserve seat ne so if 56 of your tribal candidates and are reserved, they cannot protect your what do you call it? Your tradition. They cannot protect they cannot make laws to protect your own people. You want to bring the district council. The district council pindi por batung siem ru. Acting siem. Acting siem. That means anybody who is pliable, he thong. Domlong pliable, thong not do way. So how can the future Dorbars and in such a situation, Tishpanga BAB, Bayong Spang BAB, the Mynta Spang BAB, Shwajang Gato Jingsha, Kirapin me the Kawaiga bill, community is called a community participation bill. Ki passed the ordinance, that means it was passed by the cabinet and through the governor. It was passed, but it was not implemented. Then Hadin ki ong ba tuki ya ketuka scheme JNN URM iong ba ladu ki funds de hatu ko por kadang dong ke sunjuk kirang ba Shnong call all the rang ba Shnong jong ka sorry ban pelong meeting ki ong hana ba ngin adopt no ya ka panchayati agra jong ka Assam. Naturally everybody objected the system of Assam and here totally different. So it was not allowed. Then later on kami sa BAB. Ka BAB ru long ngirung iale hiban karsyan repin da perkhat bahapat. Ka BAB kamdan it's not gender sensitive, in the sense that long pisu tu kani male dominated institution, kimsha ki females bakin room, so not only that, that means ka kumbuong ni ba, unless you pass something which is as per the Constitution of India, that means ka di bandon ka particular tamur kadiban long kum ka Election Commission of India kadiban conduct yakini ki elections rather than come tang last point ngamur benong ka what is the difference between our institutions and other panchayati raj institutions is that hangni kamrong political kamrong political okay, it is politicized and political is a different thing. Pin igirang ba Shnong kia deal but ki MLA kia deal ki during the voting time also that is politicized. And actually it is not a political institution. So the only suggestion I can say is that if they want to have any grassroots institution, it should be a non-political organization. There should be no political affiliations candidates.
Yes.
I think that is a good point. And finally, we should think about the state legislature, the legislative assembly, passing the act rather than getting stuck with the district council.
Mama tu kinga kuat man kelifi kan ni pre. Lada kirang ba Shnong kilet chaka sarkar bandawa ba kin implement no yaki grassroots institutions mo hatu pi tharai ba ka kini ki EDCs kin chu shong klikti but lada ki EDCs su kim shong klikti kan sadon ka jingatan telai ka ba khamjur hatu pim tharai ba kata kan khamlong more dangerous ya ka jela jungi
pi namal ka kanumdan ka jingitan telai nami I kata namal the constitution kalau provide kepada kita ki provisions hak schedule 7 kaba list ki state pass, central pass and kini ki concurrent pass. The state pass ki ong bakila banchna an nagmunta ki grassroots institutions. Very clear. Number 2, ke 12A jong ke 6 schedule ka ong ba lada ke state government ke snai ka an jong ke state government kan long halor ka an jong ka this council. It's very clear. Ka an jong ka this council ka yap no ka im ka an jong ka state government. Dia hakani kaliang namat lada ka state government ka one man snai ka an namat agi. Dorbar Shnong ngami I kan ka clash of interest. There'll be no clash of interest. Tong ini kita this council minum pundu egi kama ya long to. Hendai ya ka jing tekam jong ki Dorbar Shnong I can one no but ka state government. Nomor kumong omne bro artli state government but ka Dorbar Shnong ki ya ji man chakri yo pai ba. Pi la list down yi areas of activities yak state government within the 7th schedule ya gani ka panchayat spre kung mi ki Dorbar Shnong lingi recognize lingi ai kita legal recognition ki within schedule 11. La don lupa 25 subjects. Tingas ngo mamdan kita jingma. Ban pengklan ye kom trekam jongi Dorbar. Tanggawai kalong ba let's say kan don kita jing bakla bangin ong ba tungin nya pan tulap ya orang Basnong. Bagi nong tutam. Ngam try kita kan long ke babhan namar ba mi kum kom trekam ke tradition jongi ke riti jongi kalong bagi try monsoba. Tenrai la ding ya ka funding siapa Dorbar. Yang jing start yang Dorbar kan benar kami tak bisa kum ban support yo orang Basnong bagi nong trekam Shnong ngam dan objection ni.
Okay. Dia bang ye keren yo ka Dorbar mo. Dang tang khanjat ki Shnong ki ba hakaba ki kinthairu ki laban participate ki Dorbar. Hatu pitharai ba kataru kadai ka weina ki daw ka ba pentelot ye ka Dorbar.
Kadai kawe ni ki daw ka ba ngemla ban evolve. Ngisa kutsa. Yes. Haka menor. Akan ma ko jing ong jo Dr. Shashi Tharu. Let's embrace the past. Let's not forget the past. But let us not drag our past into the present. It's just extra baggage.
Yes, correct.
We have to evolve rengkat berkapor. Mynta พี่น้องบะเอกันเทมชะบันกิจกรรม Shnong บันลองกินบันยาวัดตั้งบันยาชิมMyntaกินต้อง Shnong บ่ไม่ชะชิมMynta Henry Mynta เพิ่นไปกิกันเทจงอีกลอง very well educated บะเล่นข้างลาดอีกกะตาบ่มาสุดโตฮะปรากฏประเทศที่ก็บอก woman empowerment hangi pada ye imsa ka menor that's the danger pi ni shu sngo ba kata ka menor ka de ka babhatam hadu kata ka pin mala yang ngi ba yemi i ya ka jingdon kam jo ka bamenta pada it blinded us pi shim ya ka babhan ka menor pin wandor lang ba ka menta nam benta ka lasai ka babha kata ka badon kam we have to evolve with time.
We have to evolve with time. But Bruce, if we are to take a look at the youths of today's generation, we can see that the youths are very well educated, and we can also see that the youths are very progressive. However, if we also psychoanalyze the youths, we can see that the youths are only wearing the facade of knowledge, of knowing too much, whereas they know too little. Speaking of that, we can see that in the Dorbars nowadays, especially in the urban areas, the youths are not really participating in the Dorbar. They are not seen in the Dorbar. They do not take part in the Dorbar. However, they play a very active role in the society. So don't you think that the youths of today's generation will have to come forward and participate and not just be bystanders to criticize?
So actually, you should not criticize the youth for not joining, no? It's because actually the elder people are not allowing them to, no? That means there is what should we say, an interest group, no? Hakanu no Dorbar kadon baik ka interest group kabajur, no? If hindai bun kijaka, one family or two families or a certain clan will control the whole Dorbar. So when people go there, if the election is not even democratic, kemudian katakan secret ballot, shura akti, so that means the most vocal people are the people who will get elected. So naturally the youth will come, they will find that nothing happens. So the first thing I would like to say is that they should put an age limit, no? They should put an age limit. I would say, like, for example, even in work you retire, no? Dai. Te ko mangi girang ba Shnong ngi larang ba ngi latre kata Snem, our experience can be used as advisors. So why don't the youth of 30 and 40 come and be part of the Dorbar? They prolong rong ba Shnong no ba kam khana, because they understand the world today, no? The technology driven world ki kam sutu maki. Nay, como service delivery kumbong ngayon nay, today they do it digitally. Everything is done digitally. Pinya kren mi girang ba Shnong shani shatai kia sutu ikata. Kim sutu. Nay, hari kini pat kile business kile eru kinang. Nay, te Shapang, just now you said something about they know too much or kumno fi ong mantan.
They come with a knowledge where they know too much, but they also know too little at the very same time.
So they know too little means actually, again, going into the Dorbar, anybody goes into Dorbar not for the position which it entails, but for the service which they can give. No, there's large scale unemployment. People are not properly educated. So that means so many hundreds, lakhs of people have got certificates. They are not even employable. So how do you fill that gap? If those people who are young go into the Dorbar, they know the ways, no? There are some people who are not good in academics. They can go for other skills, no? They can go for skills training. So skills training is done in other states. Is done at the local. That means the local self-government level. That means grassroots institutions do. That means the panchayats and the municipalities, they do that training. So all that, even support for entrepreneurs, support for khadi and village industries. If you see Turkey on gadan kanu tali Turkey les mana?
Jongka pencayat. Arpusan tali.
Arpusan laipo gadan tu ne. So all those lists are actually the things which people need. So why these people are not going? Is because they see that the institution is not working.
Okay.
You
So,
see?
but Bruce, you have also said earlier that the sixth schedule must be done away with if
No,
we
it's
want
not
to
done away
progress.
with. I'm not saying it should be done away with.
Hmm.
The sixth schedule is there. It has got its like an institution. No? You should see an institution. It has been there for a long time. So an institution, you cannot say an institution should be there forever. You should see whether the institution works or doesn't work.
Okay.
Di Kumbuong Batuki Mene, there's a whole list of works which are assigned to the district councils under the sixth schedule. Have they worked? No. The law is there. It's not working. Now we are thinking of bringing another law to make it work. So it may happen, the same thing may happen. No? You'll see district council has got a whole lot of laws. Kidan ki an kiti bin le kini hindi klem le. Mentaro in walam ki an kalaban long kumju. We have to see that the district council was meant for a different purpose. It should not be done away with. There are some things which the district council deal, which relates to tradition. Kumbaong iba ka deal but ki the land tenure system and other things they can do. But basic development, especially the education sector, the health sector, you understand the difference, no, between the rich and the poor now.
Yeah, so but Bruce, we will come back to you mo. Ngin saya continue with pi. But tuki, menai ba Bruce iloang shapang ka kini ki ka jinglong jong ka Dorbar mo where ka function jong ki it's being politicized and it is not political in nature. Ti ladang ipet kibun ki Dorbar kamtam ha ki Dorbar ba kinong tray kam Shnong kirang ba Shnong but kinong kit kam Shnong mo. Hakapor election. Kilong very much swayed by these political leaders. Utu ba kambun pisa kamut kitu ki kinong yalam Shnong kamtam siya ki Shnong no kandong mo. Kilalibut you. Tika jing ma ka ba up kumbangai i kalong kumni ba namar ba kini kirang ba Shnong bat kini ki baytre kam Shnong kisha kumban syong hakti madan mo bas kisha thiet no kato ka Shnong ru kamdan development but ladangi penlong political sendon ya ka position jong kini kirang ba Shnong hato phem tharai ba kan kham ma susu namar ba kitu ki rang ba Shnong bat ki nongkit kam Shnong kin kala kum kitu ki minister ki amale
ni kran chfang ka political system ka political system kalong ka parliamentary political system within the Constitution of India throughout India ngidi ben je ikinong yalam jo ngidi mi khamat in the assembly in the parliament but kane ka ya through political parties by bringing community ba ki Shnong kinong isolated against that move kabam lalong they have to take part in this whole political process of election Henry mentang mi kran ki Shnong kolong ba ngim de men pelong i Shnong kum ki panchayat habaka ri India ka kran ki panchayat ka ong nginyadan election on party lines kata ngim kwa i Shnong ni bikin long tangi kwa bikin long kum bikin long menta we kin long ka jing je long ba Shnong kolong consensus through free will through ka jing ya wan lang ji ki bele blokai Henry ka ba ngi kwa ban improve ni system kolong ba kam de shoot man syara di kiti ka de long more democratic ngim kwa ba tanggi senrang gini domenta ngi kwa makan don ka women's representation ru ngi kwa i Shnong bikin long benchu jet orang Shnong bom sutho e ka thok katar bom sutho e ka accounting bom sutho e ka kumno ban maintain ka cash book ru ngi don kami ki breu ki bla kam lang kam start ki ban pe kata Walang mioi ki beri kemenang ke start tu, Ngewan rai ka an ke bakin ai training iki beri ke empat deng kita ketinang. Kemudian lai. Henry kita benlong. Kani ka dingje jungi ke benlong transparent. Ke benlong hak rokom ke bakin ya tip pro khoi kum ngije di kan Shnong jungi. Kum ngije di kan ket kam Shnong jungi. Kum no ke Dorbar ka ya. Ke Dorbar kan long ke benlong representative. Ya pro khoi kibla above ha palat ka khap Snem. Shnong de kan thai nginum mi pet. But gini benlong accountable. Dia kata ni lah mana kita nak anjung ke state government ni. Ni kira ni kata ni. State government kalau mana ke an, kalau pelongi gitu pas nong, hak kita kador. Gini mana politics. Tidak Dorbar hi kan long apolitical. Kumakalong. But it doesn't prevent them from taking part in the national process of political democracy. Kita tak kaya ada kau.
Kulish bon. Ten keli biang ni jeng keli ba nong romo. Hai ke Dorbar ke yang, hakani ke India, kumba kalong Mynta. Haka ba baro kibor. Wat jong ka an kibor an jong ka state ru kisah tombor. Dia tu kini ki hai ke Dorbar kan yang. Haka India ka bakum kan yang.
Ka Dorbar hi ladaman ka jeng kelah kan will be extinct like the dinosaurs. Kalau dia ke Porban kelah, kumba ong ne, kumba laya banlang baru mengini inong keren, but it should be through a democratic process. Kabandon adult franchise nado ki kentero. Ne pikali balai samla kimwan chakmat manishim kam. Perhaps one of the reason could be that they know where the Dorbar Shnong stand. Let's say kisauto, baka ni Dorbar Shnong is toothless. So, obviously, kanlong Dorbar Shnong hakum kani kapor Mynta kani region ni kanlong kumno. Lada hi kamyo hi ya kata ka empowerment, ka recognition. It is going to go extinct. Means you sat kerbe, you sat he, but then everybody know you are toothless. So, ni don't kaman kala.
Te kumbang ipet Mynta mo ka kum ladang ipet ya ka ILP mo. Kaladan ka jinga ki ILP nadu arajar khatlai ba ban protect banyada ya kini ki try muluk. Ka ka kamram ba ka Dorbar kala banle banyada iki try muluk. Klaim ka ILP ru.
KLP ni keren KLP kalau apa isya kawe ka Mynta. It's like a political football. I mean, pinapai ka KM yang boleh ILP. Nomor ba ke Sarkar India ka ILP ke Manipur. Tu yak tai PI boleh yang apim I. So I ended there about ILP. Then pikli ka Bynta ka ba ka Dorbar Shnong ka lamle. So, it reminds me of one meeting I attended. Apor ba kanang sedang ya kani ka Sarkar India kanang sedang kiwen ya kani ka NRC. National Register of Citizen. Amtip ipa approve to meeting idon nem don habaw don we ADM. Yung disi la khot ka meeting la chair ta ka meeting. But la batay kumno ba gini kan don kata ka survey ki bri khot. The NRC will include Barakhoi, Bali, Bayong, Bostem, foreigner, Bombay foreigner into this. And out of this, they will take the subset who are the Indian citizen. They hakata meeting ki ong ba kinsa one ki breu jong sarkar ban le sarbe sha Shnong jongpi. I stood up nga ong balay kinwan ki breu jong sarkar. Balay ki Shnong kimle. Balay ki Dorbar Shnong kemle ya kata ngi kham tip ba mangi Shnong ya ki brio you ong am ginwan kita ki brio sarkar even of the rank of UDA can come but pipim la there lies the irony there lies the irony bang henta ke so tho shai but you are toothless you are useless. We'll use you when you want to use you. We'll throw you like garbage when we don't need you.
Yes.
So, ting yung ngibat na kam Shnong na eh. Brio bala kam su tho igini Bynta am sorem. da sorem sisha le meeting ang ni tuang ipinga le meeting am kidon kikep mga sorem
Adai.
Te ba Bruce pi kwa ban chu khandiat.
Sepang gani ka ILP.
Chapang ka ka ba ki Dorbar ki la ban le ban yada ialah ki jong ki nong chong shnong. Klam ka ILP. Namar ba ladang ipet ya ka ILP ngi kran ya ka ILP bangi tieng ya ke jingwan jong ki illegal immigrants mo. Handai lada kum bangi ladang ipet bha ngi pet benia ngi pet sani bha. Ka jing yada kawan nak shnong. Omdei nak bil. Nani omdei nak ak.
Nakaliang ka Shnong long kumenta pi iba ki ong ba. Le ka ILP ba tu ka MR SSA tu ka
resident safety and security
Nah. De kidan ki Shnong mo rai kum ka Shnong Nongrim. Ka Shnong Nongrim Hills hang ni mo. Shnong Nongrim Hills long ki don ka register jong ki nong sa ki nong song y ki nong song Nong Rim Hill kam dei ka ba he than. Dei. Te long kum ka lai mukra le ni mo lai la he. Dei. Te kum gitu pi su thu hi ba to maintain records, ban maintain ni records, pi dan kam ki brio. You need processing equipment. You need train people to do that. So whether all the Dorbar Snongs are equipped to do that, whether they have the funds, that's a different matter. But finally we come back to the same point, no? The same point is that if the Dorbar Snongs are empowered, then one of those powers that can be given is that. So they can employ people, kumba ongi ba Tuki, they are given funds, they can use the funds. So they are people who are there on the ground. They will know better than anybody else. No, kumong iba.
Te ka poru kalayat. Te ngilapo arta cha ka ba kut jong kani ka program jongi. Ha ka ba ngilaya kren ba ngilaya tai ya Shapang ka Dorbar. Ha ka juk ka ba Mynta. Na ka jing ya kren ba kini kirang ba Shnong ba na ki jing ya kren ba kini kirang ba. Ngi syamba kadon kata ka jingdon kam jong ka Dorbar ba kan kelah ya kerukum terekam bat ba kan ya chakmat kat kum ka juk ka ba Mynta lada ngingi kwa ba ngindon ya kata ka Bynta ha ka India ka batamai nama lada ngi pet kat kum ka rukum terekam jong ka Dorbar mentahi ka Dorbar kan sayap shen Ti daka tu ka jing kran ngakwa ban ai kublai ya baro kini ki rang ba kublai shibun ba piladan dekat ba ni ka panel discussion jungi ngade ume bon ling doar na durashan ngin saya syam biang bat pi la syam tayo kata ka por san baje kublai shibun ublai undang ye kerku ya pi